Hello dear viewers, this is Gary, the AI voice, speaking to you as Buddy from Town's narrator. Since Buddy began his exploration of the cosmos, he has become interested in current news about the universe. Today, Buddy from Town is sharing recent news about a noteworthy Jupiter-sized exoplanet, uncovered by astronomers and citizen scientists. In the article, Strange and Hidden Jupiter-sized Exoplanet Spotted by Astronomers and Citizen Scientists, by Elizabeth Howell, published at space.com on January 16, 2022, this uncovered exoplanet, designated TOI 2180b, is relatively close to Earth, at only 379 light-years away. Elizabeth Howell explains, this discovery was made by a team of both astronomers and citizen scientists, including former U.S. naval officer Tom Jacobs. Jacobs is a participant in Planet Hunters, a NASA-funded citizen science project run through the online platform Zooniverse, that focused on data from NASA's now-retired Kepler planet-hunting spacecraft. Together, the team of citizen scientists and astronomers examined test data through a collaboration, dubbed the Visual Survey Group. A study based on the research was published Thursday, January 13, 2022 in the Astronomical Journal. Howell noted that the team spotted the world using data gathered by NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS. Transit events are the best avenue to discovering cooler exoplanets, said study lead author Paul Dalba, a postdoctoral researcher at the University of California, Riverside. Howell explains, TESS spots exoplanets by finding very small and repeatable dips in a star's brightness, that are caused by a planet blocking a little bit of the star's light as it transits, or passes between the spacecraft and the star. Tom Jacobs spotted a brightness dip in the newfound planet's parent star on February 1, 2020. Since stellar brightness fluctuations can be due to other factors, such as sunspots, Jacobs needed confirmation and alerted astronomers, Dalba and Dragomir. TESS saw only a single dimming of the star, but the team received more information from observations by the Automated Planet Finder Telescope at Lick Observatory, in California, along with the W.M. Keck Observatory in Hawaii. These two observatories saw the gravitational tug of the planet on its parent star, allowing the team to zero in on its mass. Howell explains in her article, what makes this world special among the sample of known giant exoplanets, is that it takes 261 days to orbit its host star, much longer than most gas giants discovered outside of our solar neighborhood. TOI 2180b is roughly the same size as Jupiter, but it's almost 3 times more massive. The planet contains roughly 105 Earth masses worth of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, according to a release issued by the University of New Mexico, the home institution of Discovery team member Diana Dragomir. This density difference could indicate that the planet formed differently from Jupiter. Another oddity, Howell said, is the planet's temperature, which averages a surprisingly mild 170 degrees Fahrenheit, or 77 degrees Celsius. While TOI 2180b is warmer than Jupiter and Saturn, it's still quite chilly compared to many other huge exoplanets. Howell notes that the planet's orbit remains uncertain. The team tried to figure it out by looking for a transit again, using telescopes at 14 sites, across 3 continents, during August 2020. While the collaboration produced 55 datasets in 11 days, no telescope caught the transit. But this lack of information still allowed astronomers to put a boundary on its orbital time, which they estimate is 261 days, NASA said. While TOI 2180b's orbital period is not quite confirmed, scientists predict TESS will see the planet again in February. As well as determining the planet's orbit, scientists also hope to study TOI 2180b further, to look for rings or moons, which are common among gas giants in our own solar system. Most big exoplanets discovered have been found very close to their parent stars, where the intense gravity may rip things like rings away from the planet. Since TOI 2810b is farther from its star, it may be a fun system in which to look for moons or rings, Paul Dalba said in the NASA release. This concludes Buddy's Space News today. If you would like to follow along to see Buddy from Town become Buddy of Singularity, please click subscribe, and a like would be appreciated. Until next time, dear viewers, keep looking up and looking back, way back.